All right, good morning. Good morning. All right, let me see what we got here. Trying to get everything set up here. Running a little behind. Good morning, Clarity, Timbo, Eric, Robert, Predator. Let's see here. Ran up to these targets here overnight. That's our overnight high there, 881. All right. We still have the London low down there as well. So it does look like that's the area we're probably going to sweep. If I had to lean, I'd say I'm leaning down right now. Huh. Let's check the news today. Have not looked yet at the news. Yeah, and truck. That's kind of what I'm thinking. Looking at that area down there. I don't think there's much going on today. Oh, there's actually nothing. No news today. Morning, Dean. All right, let's see here. Mancini said 6469 must reclaim. That's kind of been the magnet that we've kind of been talking about all week. So, kind of been the magnet. Hopefully everybody had a good weekend. Let's see here. Still marking out levels, getting everything pulled up here. Nice, Predator. Nice. Man, I am still thinking that this thing rips lower here. All right, what time is it? We got 10 minutes until open. Yeah, I might consider a short here, even before open. We might consider a short even before open, guys. But I'm not sure. It would be 760 would be the entry. Might do it. Well, hold on. We have a inside bar here on the 5-minute. Considering shorting off that. But very well could break to the upside as well. We'll see. Good morning, Francis. Mad Moxie in the house. What up, Shobe? I don't know. No news Monday, so we'll see what we get there. We'll see what that brings us. You're short, Dylan? Let's go. Good luck. I'm considering shorting. Yeah, I did see that, Francis. Got 8 minutes until open, too. Let me copy some of these levels down and put them on these other charts over here. Will make it easier for me to see. What the heck? I said paste. Why is it not pasting? Copy. Paste. Oh, I guess it is. Never mind, it is pasting it. Oops. It's like, I guess because... All right, let's get... This will be 15 second. Okay. Let's get this one over here. Oh yeah, I forgot about the buy funded futures. We'll do the 5 second on it. Stop loss. No, it's 20. Not 200. 40. This one will be 20. 16. All right. Got those set up. So now if we get this short, we'll take it. Sweep Friday low, yeah, maybe. You're long 748. Okay, yeah, break even. About 5 minutes into until the open here. I mean, I guess if we sweep sells 5 sub, I can't talk 762. I'll take it, but. Or 760, not 762. Morning, Coper. If we sweep 760, I guess I'll take it. Stop will be at 773. We're awfully close to open. Morning, Marson. 773.50. All right. Got about 4 minutes, 4.5 minutes till open here. How's it going, Sue? LHM? What a cap. Let's kind of see what we get. Chop, chop. It could. All right, do we have everything set up here? I'm on the wrong chart. Got to go ahead and set this up if we're going to do it this way. Something like that. Traded 550K code MM, bought 2 days ago. Let's go, York. You the man. Yeah, I might close before open. Dylan, I mean, like, it should go down, but we just don't know, like, right? You don't really know. Could still manipulate higher at open. We don't know. God dang it. So, let's make sure I'm on the right account. Yeah. Oh, this is going to be annoying. All right. I'm kind of leaning down, but again, Jumia. All right, where's the copier? Let me get the copier up here so I can see it. Yeah, less than 2 minutes here. Tom Sabo just sold 1 micro. Yeah. Sabo did something. About a minute here until open. What up, Sean? All right. Let me get ready here. What the hell? I'm only taking the short on the 5 second. I think. All right, here we go. Tagged in long there. Let's make sure everything is out. Flatten all, flatten all. Close, close. That should be everything there. Where's my order box at? Hurry up. Nothing there. Okay, we look okay there. 5 second did, let me see. Didn't pay. So I just didn't get a trade on the 5 second. That's okay. All right, I'm back on my, trying to make sure everything is out. Looks like everything's out. Due to swing to the open here. Fully out will, all right. Nice job, Jake. Only goes up, yeah. All right, let's see here. ES tapped that 69 level. Trying to see what happens here. I'm waiting. I'm going to enter this on both accounts if we get it on these. If we get this 1 minute inversion to the downside. Let me see if I can get switched over to this account. All right. Do we not have the stuff here? Paste. Re-enter got 15. Let's go. Kind of watching this gap here. We got kind of a little bit of low resistance liquidity above as well. Excuse me, guys. Sorry to cough in your ear. Equal highs here. Left at 807. So the 5 second or the 15 second did pay there. We hit it on most every account. I didn't run it on a couple of them. I didn't run it on the Apex because I didn't want to bracket above and below, but nice start to the week there on those accounts. Morning, Rob. I don't have it. It doesn't show that I've got any orders like sitting around anywhere, but let me just. Got a little bit more to run. 823s up there. Built out a little bull flag here on that pullback. Tapped into that first presented kind of gap there. Pushed up. Be nice to get that inside bar on this push up on the down to the downside once we clear out the 823s. Maybe we get it on the next candle or two. That would be kind of nice. Previous day close kind of lining up with VWAP here. Kind of an interesting spot, to be honest with you. to take a stab long. Still got some liquidity above. This is an interesting spot to maybe stab long. If it pulls back into it. Maybe at least an eval play. I don't know. Get the futures desk up here just in case. I don't know. Okay, I'm on that chart. All right. God dang it. I fucking missed it. I missed it, guys. I don't know if it, I don't know if it had played out already. It might have. I think I might have missed it, the play, trying to set the account up there, but still might work. Stop to break even 810. This really needs to be at like 86. I'm going to put it where it needs to be. Stop to break even at 810 here. I feel like I missed it already, though. I think it already bounced 10 points. Yeah, it already did. So that could be my, yeah, it could be just a misplay there. I'm going to kill that because I think we're about to get a short trigger here. Oh, god dang it. Hit the wrong freaking button. God dang it. That's annoying. It's annoying as hell right there, guys. That closed below there. It did. I just lost out. That's so annoying. I literally short there. I take the loss. What in the hell happened? I don't know, man. I'm annoyed there. Well, I was trying to wait for the 823 sweep. Honestly, I forgot about it, to be honest. Just playing with this over here. I was like trying to get this account, and I just forgot. Thing is, I lost on both of those trades when I should have. This one should have been a loss, but the other one I should have won on if I just didn't take it off. I took it off. Kind of just a little bit annoying. A little bit annoying. 941 here. Let's see if we sweep that 23 area. Can only mean one thing, go long. Yeah, go long. Yeah, I should have went long, I guess. I was long, and then I was like, I don't know. I saw a little teeny inversion here, but it's really not big enough. I don't even know what I was thinking. We didn't even sweep the level I had marked up there. Trying to manage too much there. Now that's the candle you want to see. $7.45 target. Did not quite close below there. $7.39 level down there. Holding up there. Yeah, Jamie, it's one of those things where you're looking at so many things, you know, for sure. Maybe taking the short here in a minute. Let's see. Do, 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 do. You're looking for a long reversal? Nice. All right, here we go. What are we looking for? 739 here. Oh, come on. You gotta be kidding me, man. Let's see if this thing will go. ES pulled back there. Oh, actually, I didn't even notice, man. We got a big divergence here with the ES. Holy cow. Morning, TJP. ES above the highs here. This is not looking good here. I should have been a lot more patient here. I should have been a lot more patient. Dun, 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 dun. I'm going to try to give it time, see what happens. The longer it holds up here, the less I like it, though. I swear, man. I did not even notice that the ES was ripping up there. I'm just not paying attention to what's in front of me today. Today, because if I see the ES reclaiming the 69 there, I know I shouldn't be shorting. The 69 reclaim is the squeeze. I mean, I have it written down right there. Da, 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 da. What up, XBT? We had a good opening trade, XBT, and then I've taken just a couple of boneheaded trades on this funded account here. Kind of annoying. Down 689 on it. I don't think I'm going to take any more trades on it. I'm just going to leave it. "15 seconds, we're going to have an inside candle on the 5-minute too. We have an inside bar here. $32-point stop. Hodl the short. Depends on which way it breaks. I'm going to take it short. All right, I'm going to take the short here. Get some of the money back here, maybe. This thing should just go here. Come on. I don't want it to come back and stop me out. I know it's going to go. Let's see here. Come on. Trying to be patient here. Did that thing hit? It did not hit. I mean, I don't. It should hit. Trying to give it the room here. Yeah, inside bar paid there. I have no idea on truck. No idea. Come on. It's going to feel bad if I didn't take $500 there and it stops me out. We didn't sweep anything there, BKR. All the levels are down here. All the key levels are down here. Trying to make one good trade here to wipe out the bad trades. It's probably a bad idea to try to do, but I mean, I do think it makes sense to come down here and sweep this level. We got 5 minutes until the top of the hour here. Also, it's kind of your 15-minute breakout there as well. Nice job at Tech-T. I want to see here if this thing can just get down here. Get back below that 50. Stop playing around. Get back below 50 here. I think we just waterfall right into the 30s. ES kind of got to get back below that low there. We should be able to start pushing down. This is just First 5-minute inside bar. Yeah, just the first one's the only one I take, typically. That's what I'm saying, Trev. Let's go. Come on, get through 750. Get back through 750 here. I think we get a nice elevator. Nice elevator down through 750. Come on. I'm trying to display patience here, but it's kind of annoying me. What up, John? Want to pass or blow today? Am I traveling so I can't babysit? You think a buy at those levels could be a good gamble? Yeah, John. A soup down there at the 32 would make sense. All right, here we go. Come on. This should be it right here. Come on, give me to it. Give it to me. 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 I'm not going to be a dick for a tick there. I'm taking it. I'm not going to be a dick for a tick there. All right. Got ourselves back to, we'll call it break even after being down $680. Oh my gosh. Just taking trades that don't make sense when, you have the inside bar. Just wait for the break. Let's go. I hate weeks. Nice job. Yeah, we still didn't run that 3450. I wasn't about to hold that thing any further. Oh, it had me scared too, Jamie. Oh man, I did not trade well first thing this morning right there. That was not great execution. But we survived. So we survived. I did take that on the Apex account as well. Unfortunately, I was down already $200 or $298. I was down, so I did take it for 20 points. If I should have just waited for the first for that trade too. I don't know what I was doing. I don't know what I was doing this morning. Yeah, that was great. That was a great 5-minute break right there to the downside. That inside buy. You see the 5-minute inside buy actually created an order block too here on the close of this. So stop really could go here. You could have reduced stop down to 91.75 for just a 20-point stop. All these wicks down here, it's going to run through there, I think. But it did run the London. It ran the London there. It did run London, but left those two wicks down there, 34, 32 area. A couple of ticks. Yeah, exactly, Texie. If I would have held that, I'd be in panic mode over here. But it's my own fault. I mean, I was down 689 for no reason. Like, this did not give me the short scenario that I wanted. I shorted before the 1 minute closed. I don't know. This gap wasn't obvious. I didn't like what I had going on there. You could short this on the pushback below 50 if you wanted to, but yeah, yesterday's low. Oh man, that was annoying. You could maybe short here, have your stop at this wick, top of this wick, but it's kind of a chase play. Had low resistance liquidity below. We inversed the daily to the downside. So a lot of reasons to expect this thing to go lower. ES bouncing off 61. Look what I have written at the 61 level. Failed breakdown possible. Look at there. Boom, boom. That's your long entry. Even though we didn't run the sell side, it still might come down here and run it one more time. Still might come back. Man, I'm so glad I took profit down there and I just didn't hold it for the extra little green. That would have sucked. So just leaving levels. Left levels here, left levels here. We did have a huge SMT at the highs here. ES ran these highs. Nasdaq did not. Kind of got stopped out there. I don't know, 6 points. I mean, I really wasn't willing to risk much more there. 5-minute morning star. Maybe. Could be an inside bar there as well. We might print another inside bar here. It's only got 2 minutes left. Yeah, ES still holding that trend line as well. Oh, it did close below it. Yeah. Testing that 15-minute opening range now. What about this 50 EMA? I mean, that doesn't look bad. I may take this. I might take the 50 EMA. You know what I'm going to do, though? I'm going to, god dang it, I'm going to switch to the eval. Is this the eval? Where's the eval? Never mind. That thing's blasting through there. Holy smokes. Holy smokes. All right. That failed breakdown on the ES there, just working like a charm. Literally would have got long down there. If we'd ran this sell side, then I think that a soup of this level makes sense. Not running this by a few ticks doesn't really make that much sense. But I have no clue. Just one of those things. Now I kind of think we run that 823 now. ES reclaim 69. We get above VWAP. I think we rerun 823, or we actually get up there and run it this time. Yeah, we're at the VWAP. We are tapping into that 5-minute order block. May not mean much. We'll see. We will have this here. Just closed. Kind of the same idea, right? If we get a big candle through this, ES rejects that 69 level. That could be a reshort back to the lows. We tapped OTE on this push back up. Four-hour reversal. Yeah, it was right at 10 a.m. 10 a.m. reversal. Yep. Right there at 10 a.m. So if we get a death candle back to the downside here, I will take that. We'll be closing back below the 15-minute range. How big is this gap? That's 12, 13 points. Pretty obvious. If you guys haven't already hit the like button for me, it does help the channel. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. So, thank you. I mean, it was tough right there. 8 weeks, I'm not going to lie. Didn't trade very well. I hated my trades early on this morning, but we're doing a free Apex account giveaway, guys. Also, we'll do a Take Profit Trader. I think we were only one sell away. Let's see if we actually got it. We were only one sell away, and then we'll need 50 more sells to get to the next tier. I don't know if we got it, though. We may not have it. Yeah, no, we didn't get it yet. We did not get it yet. So we need one more Take Profit Trader sale in order to hit the bonus and do the giveaway. Kind of building out a little bit of a bull flag here. But if we can get like a nice elevator candle through here, then I don't think that would be a bad short. Risking about 15 points for it to get 30. Any account size, Timbo, you demand. Any account size is fine. We're only like 30 bucks on the sell side away from getting it. So one account purchase will do it. Everybody will have to thank Timbo for making the purchase so we can do the giveaway. Yes, sir. I just noticed there was a small untested wick there. I don't know. It didn't pay very much. Normally, I would try this 796 short area. The problem with it at this point is you got the VWAP right here. You have to fight the VWAP for your profit. I guess you could take it and go break even at the VWAP. But I do think if ES clears that 69 area, it'll probably rip higher. Right now, it's an Apex account. I hate weeks, any size Apex eval. But once Timbo makes that purchase, we will also add a Take Profit Trader eval into there, 50K. Here we go. So ES kind of rejecting a key level there. Couple of beers in. You're going to fight the VWAP? Now the question is, do I take this on an eval or do I take this on the funded? That's kind of a dirty close there. I mean, I kind of feel fortunate enough to be break even on the funded. So I think I am going to switch to the eval here. Feel fortunate enough to be break even. Like in that scenario, I think that it makes sense here to switch to an eval. We also have an inside bar on the 5-minute here too, guys. So we not only have this, but we also have an inside bar. Yeah. Rage trading. Yeah. I did this morning, I'm telling you. Yeah, that's a very shitty close, Idris. You're not wrong. All right, I'm going to take it off the inside bar here. And then eval here. Where does stop need to be? Up here? 788.50. Yep, so I got the stop where it needs to be. I got the stop where it needs to be. Actually, though, let me think about this. I only need 22 points. I think I need like 23 points. So 67, 47. I only need like 42 on this account, really. Not even that. $10 seconds on this 1 minute. Oh, nice job, Timbo. Oh, you did it. All right, cool. What up, Black Phoenix? Yeah. I'm green now. We're break even. Let's see if we can't get some green in this eval. Hey, Timbo got us there. So, we'll do a Take Profit Trader giveaway as well. Everybody thank Timbo in the chat. Drop Timbo some love in the chat there. So we will do also a Take Profit Trader 50K giveaway as well. There we go. Nice little push lower here. Wow. That rip right back up. Almost a close. I'm still holding off the inside bar, though. I probably should have went break even there. Yeah, I probably should have went break even there and then do the re-entry thing off the inside bar, but I think it's okay. I will go break even back below this wick, though. Unless we get a close kind of like in here, below this line here. Get a close in the middle here, then I'll wait to go break even to kind of down here to like 750 area. But we'll see. Nice job, Mike. Taking a little heat on the inside buy. Rhythmic lagging. You're taking the money running? Yeah, I hate weeks. I don't blame you. What up, Stone? Stone in the house. The man, the myth, the stone. The gut filling stone. Oh, the loin touching stone. If you know, you know. So, all right, let's see here. 23 seconds. Let's get a nice close, at least in between these two lines. If it closes back above these lines again, I might just kill this. Oh, my goodness. Look at that thing, man. It just is not, it is not wanting to close. It's not wanting to go here. It's just not wanting to. Testing my patience. Consider closing it. Considering. I'm going to close it. Wait for this thing to kind of. I'm going to wait for it to close below here. So taking a small loss there. Basically break even. The loin tickling deep sea stoker in the house. Yeah. I just don't want to take the drawdown here, so I'm going to wait for this to actually close below the 1 minute. If it closes below the 1 minute, then I think we expand lower fairly quickly. So instead of taking this drawdown, I'm just going to wait and re-enter once it closes. I might have a little worse entry, but that's okay. 70 away from passing 150K, you smoked it? God dang, design, that sucks. I feel fortunate enough this morning. I feel very fortunate. Diamond hands, no pine tree, not in this one. I mean, I do think it goes. I do think it's going to go. All right, here we go. I'm going to re-enter. All right, let's see here. Every time, man, it just keeps bouncing back up. What's the deal here? Smoke 300s, that sucks. Here comes the red donkey candle. Yeah. I'm just going to stop out there, guys. I want to stop out for a small loss. It's one of those trades like, I don't know. ES back above 69. I am tempted to long, guys. I am just 100% tempted to long here. I'm going to wait. But man, it kind of feels like we might just resweep the high before we take these lows. Anybody else get that feeling? Anybody else just get that feeling? Those weren't donkeys, just folks eating cats and the dogs. Yeah. I feel like this thing is like wanting to rip here, but right now we have higher lows. And really would be higher highs if we pop above 788. You could take a really kind of a short stop here long. But I don't know. We'll wait. Monday markets are annoying. Yeah, for sure. Same thing. Same. All right, guys. We got 30 likes and 83 viewers. Come on, guys. We can do better than that. We can do better than that. We're really in the middle of nowhere, right? Yeah, that's what I'm thinking, Jonathan, too. Stock's mostly bullish. Plenty of bag holders still signing up at the convention center. All right, I'm going to enter here. I might knife cut myself to death here. I feel like if ES rejects this level again, we're going to have hard down, though. That's what I'm thinking. ES at the VWAP there. Nasdaq still below it. Fade me. I am short, Eric. No fading me. I'm short. I said it looks like it wants to break out. I didn't say I was longing. I mean, I said I kind of wanted to long, but I know better. I know better. Although I may stop out here. ES can lose the VWAP here. I think we get a nice elevator down here. We have an SMT at this high. That's part of the reason why I shorted. Boom, 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 boom. Push back below the 15-minute there at 768. I'll probably go break even. Might get stopped out. There she goes. Rude. Might daily loss limit this account today. We'll see. This looks like this thing is just going to rip. I mean, it really does, guys. I think ES is going to rerun the high here. I don't know if Nasdaq if it drags us with it or not. Well, it might. Nice order block at 840. Yeah, nice rejection off previous day. Previous day close there. Little small rejection. It's been going for the evening star. Voice to text, yeah. There she blows. Kind of kept knife cutting myself there. I don't know. I don't hate this re-entry here. This one, yeah, it's okay too. We had an SMT there. We are ripping. Look at this thing. Look what it's doing. It's just ripping both ways. Got 2K and bailed. Yeah, this thing is tough, Oracle. You've been switching back and forth between the morning and the evening star. 15-minute breakout up the upside here. Do we take a stab here? Just get a little 5-6, get a little 10 points. Why not? Get a few bucks back there. Little 15-minute breakout. Oh, the PA has been. Yeah. Missed your loan by a tick? That sucks. Gonna have a little potential right here. A little potential. Potential. Get a nice candle back through here. This candle or the next, I think, would be a really good sign that we're going to come back down to the sell side. Got the risk about 23, 24 points. We'll do the giveaway probably 11-ish, maybe a little sooner, so you guys know. First draw will be for a Apex evaluation. Second draw will be for a Take Profit Trader 50K evaluation. See, that's the problem with like watching. I mean, like if we'd ran this sell side, one or two more ticks, you know, that would have been a great long spot. I mean, look at that failed breakdown spot. It's paying you 14 points on the ES off this failed breakdown level that we got there. I can't imagine pressing the button when you miss it on the Nasdaq there by a bit. Yeah, IB in 4 minutes, yeah. No fast track 50K today? I mean, I can give you one, Marcin. I can tell you already they don't pay. Marcin, included in bankruptcy. Included in the bankruptcy. What up, Mo? No, I don't. I'm looking for shorts, Mo. I have been looking for shorts all morning though. Did I long at all today? That's a short, a loss. Yeah, short, short, short. I don't even think I longed today at all, did I? Oh, well, I longed up here. I don't think I longed, though, other than that. 5-minute bearish Harami potential here. Shorten the 5 day to pass. Yeah, it would be nice if they would. I mean, I would think even shortening it to like 2 or 3 would be amazing, but... Wait for 8:30. I can't. No, I'm definitely not a perma bear. This is a nice candle. Nice. All right, I'm in. See if it wants to go. Oh, nice job, Mo. Yeah, 3 would be awesome. Only thing kind of holding us up there. Move your PT to 750. It will hit it there. Yeah, I got it down there at 745. I need $440 to hit my daily base hit. Stops in. I might even move it lower into C because I don't know. Oh, ES just hit the freaking 641 level again. Holy cow. I didn't even see that. I looked over there and saw that. I would have taken this down here. Let's see if ES can retest that 641. Let's pay attention this time. Close below that gap there now. Need one more push here. Yeah, for sure, Alito. You got to be kidding me, man. You got to be absolutely kidding me here. Maybe I should have taken profit here. That would have got me back to break even at least. Actually, would have been in the green if I had taken profit there. I don't know if I want to give this more room or not. I think I'll just re-enter. I think I'll just re-enter. Building another 2-minute bullish. I mean, I don't know what more I could do here. Maybe I've taken profit here. I really don't know. I'll have to look to re-enter at some point here. Maybe up here. 790. It feels bad there being up like 30 points on that and didn't even take anything. You're down 2K. How's the internet working though, Coper? I'm going to re-enter here. Just 8 points lower than my last entry. All in now, no turning back, full port ahead. Oh, I guess maybe I should have waited for. This does have an $800 daily loss limit, by the way. So, like, if it is really within reason that we may hit it, considering we could have just been break even there. It's kind of annoying. If ES pops to 69 again here, then it's not good. I want to see ES hold below 69, get back below the VWAP here, push us back lower again, make another run down for that 641. And I may just take this off. Like if I can get this to break even, I may just take this off, or at least lock it in. Yeah, still holding below 69 for now. I'm watching it now just to see. We haven't really moved. Yeah, exactly. Oh, you exited right before the dump, Cobra? That sucks. All right, let's see if the ES can lose the VWAP here on this push back up. We should be able to have another fast movement down if it can. ES still has not worked its way back below the VWAP. Trying. Still holding up there. Nasdaq trying to bring it down. Kind of watch this level here. Initial balance is now set. We did just blast through IB earlier. Yeah, it's a range day. It's PA sadder than the ending of Old Yeller. Oh, goodness. I'm getting out of this. I mean, ES just blasted back above 69, like just taking off. I can't be short right here when ES is just breaking out. Nice job. Up 839, Black Phoenix. Nice. Good call. Celebrity up 240. Oh, that's awesome. If ES gets back below 69 again, and we'll maybe jump back in. We do have a bear, an inside bar potentially on the 5-minute chart again. Kind of a big, just like just divergence here. Just a divergence. You're up 625, Eric. Nice job. 5-minute star, morning star. All right. $768.25. All right, jumping in again. Breaking out of the initial balance here, so I think if we get below 54.75 here, we should see a big fast candle through here. Big, fast, and tall. Something like that. And if I see green over here, I might just kill it. I need us to get through 50 really to get to green. Yes, back to the VWAP. Inside bar is formed here. 788.50 is the stop. I don't think I can hold it up to there. Probably hit the daily loss limit before that happens. So it's either daily loss limit or green. Let's see what it is. Daily loss limit or green. What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? Green, yeah, let's go, Trev. That's what I want it to be. Nvidia's dropping. You the man. Guys, we still got the giveaway going on. Exclamation point cash in the chat if you want to enter. We broke below the inside bar yet? We have not. Need to get below 61.50 for the inside bar to form to the short side. Oh my God, guys, I don't like this. ES right back above 69 again. Holy cow. All right. I keep just knife cutting myself by getting out though. I mean, it was short up here, took a break even. Shorted here, took a break even. You know, like I just keep getting short lower and lower and lower. Yeah, Nate, I still trade with Apex. I'm almost at payout on this account here with Apex. Where's it at? This one here. We're at $1,978 in profit. Needs to break below this low. Let's see. All right, so the inside bar is about to trigger here. So there is, well, yeah, there's the inside bar trigger. So inside bar triggering short there. Trev. Oh, goodness. You will never take a bad trade again. They're good trades when you're winning. That's true. That is a very good point. I think if we get below this wick here, we're going to see an explosive candle down. Explosive red donkey candle down. We just get below 54.75. That's what I'm thinking. But it's just hard. It's just not struggling. All right, here we go. Come on. PA's like the wife that won't sign the divorce papers, or the husband. You know, I guess it goes both ways, right? There we go. There we go. Let's see expansion. Let's see expansion. Come on. Let's see expansion here. ES is nowhere near that 641, by the way. It's 5-6 points off. So we have room to run these wicks now. We have room to run the wicks. Get through the 50 here. Come on, go. I want to lock in that 50 level to go break even for the day, but I need it to get through the 40, right down there to that 39 level in order to do it. This push through 50 should get it. That should get it. All right, I'm going to lock in the break-even day here. Lock it in the break-even day. Locking in some green. Not going to do it to me this time, buddy. Let's go. All right. What kind of sucks about that is the fact that I was already up $200 when I started the day. But yeah, I think you could soup this level. I think this is a good level to get long off of, too. I really do. I think it's a good level to get long off of. Yeah, we kind of knife cut ourselves there, but hey, never had any doubt. Let's go. You was up 500. That sucked, Coper. Yeah, I think a close back above initial balance here it would be a good sign for a little failed breakdown, push back up. Although ES did bounce off that level, twice already. So maybe the next level down potentially. I'll show you guys what Mancini said in his newsletter. So he's saying this is an A plus failed breakdown. So if we can touch 6443 and bounce off there, that's an A plus failed breakdown level. If we get below this, we're going to hard sell. So that's what he said in his newsletter. His first failed breakdown level was 6461, and you can see we got that there right at 10 a.m. Boom. For a nice push back up. Level to level there. You know. I do think that is a good failed breakdown level. Nice thing, though, I will say I'm proud of myself, is I didn't panic. I didn't size up. Yes, I may have entered a couple times, but I did not size up. So, Dow had very clean setups. Nice. So I think right here is a very good long setup. You could jump in long here 20 seconds as long as the ES holds above 651 or 461. So like right now, stop at the low. This could end up being the low of day. Really could. So that would be your trigger. And I would target kind of 754. That little support level turn into resistance. I'm not taking it, but one could. That would be bad. So again, 751 kind of the target, maybe break even there. I was at 754. I don't know why I said 751. So like 755 will be stop to break even. They do sometimes, Nate. Just depends. All right, Predator, appreciate you. Trade day payout. Let's go. Day one. Nice job, Pine Tree. I'm assuming that was the off the inside bar pay. $768. I'm going to target 768, the 15-minute opening range. Sometimes they put you in review, but not, I don't know. I haven't heard it as much lately. What up, Charis? They put you on forever? That's crazy. Yeah, I would reach out to them and see. Oh, you have the trade at 525K? Let's go. If we can break back above 55 here, I think we get a nice expansion candle into the 68. Micromanagement. Back above 55 here. Back above this high, I want to see a little expansion. There we go. Let's see if it can go. I might move this even higher, guys. Let's see how price reacts at that 68 level. There's no sell side below, so I'm expecting we might. If we get back inside that 15-minute range, we could go. Yeah, like that. That's what I was saying. I was thinking to myself, we might just blast right through there. Let's see. Could maybe target the 790 at least. VWAP 784. Hell, could probably target 825 up there. You earned so much today that I don't have to do your OnlyFans. But you still got to pay for Tom's. You still got to pay for those subscriptions. You guys know why this trade's banging so hard, right? Do you know why? Do you know why? All right, guys, we got 90 viewers, 49 likes. Come on, we can do better than that. Now, we need to at least have 85 likes or something like that. Because you didn't take it? No. Was there a Gazebo guarantee? No. I mean, they don't usually, I mean, like, I don't know. If you send me your username in Discord or in a DM or email, I'll reach out to them and find out, because I actually have a contact now. I'll reach out to them and try to find out what the deal is with your account. Look, what's it say right here, guys? What does this account number say? What's the account number say? Sim 101, then we're on the Sim account. So that's why it's banging so hard. We're on the Sim account. If we weren't on the Sim account, there would have been drawdown. There would have been all kinds of stuff. I honestly didn't have an account to trade with it. So, you know, I struggled on this account. The My Funded Futures account is in small drawdown. I mean, I might have could have used this one. But on a day like today, if you're green, you just take the green and you run. That's what you do. Maybe Trev. So, nice job, Charles. Good job. Yeah, you can send me an email, methodicalman Nate, methodicalman@gmail.com here. I'll post it in the chat. Now, I'm not saying I can do anything for you, but I'll try my best. I will try my best. All right, guys, exclamation point cash in the chat. We're doing a giveaway for any size evaluation Apex account and 150K Take Profit Trader evaluation. So yeah, being that this is a sim account, I am just going to leave stop at break even. We'll see how far it can go. And then we'll post it later on that it was an 80-point win, you know. I got an 80-point win today. Oh, Trev said it's mine. Well, theoretically, it should be Timbo's. Nah, you all have bought accounts. I appreciate Timbo buying one today. But you all have bought accounts to help there. We do appreciate it. Does Apex have the 85? Yeah, they do. You can do 85 a month or 140 lifetime. I always choose lifetime. I don't know, it's just me. Because I know I'm going to have the account longer than a month. I'm always going to have the account longer than a month. If I blow an account inside a month, that's you know, tough. I've done it before, but I I usually hold on to them more than a month. Can we get it? I mean, I do think 790 would actually be a good target on this. Rebalancing that gap there. Doji, do it. It's not a good sign. ES did not get above 69 there. This could be a good... You could maybe re-enter long here. This does look V-shaped, right? I'm trying to play it smart here. Trying not to do anything stupid. I mean, that's the thing, guys. That's a huge thing. Like, once you get green, keeping the green is like just as hard as, you know, walking away red, sort of. Hit the like button. We appreciate it. All right, let's see here. Holy cow. It's so funny. Funding Tick sends you an email when they're like, first trade received. If you are just joining us, let me show you guys what we're looking like. Boom. For the day. Nice, nice. We'll take it. I'm trying to find my daughter's Cash App. I mean, I guess this is the same one. I don't even know. She's done had more than one. There we go. Nice push up here. Get above the VWAP here. ES trying to retest that 69 level. All right, I got the information for who I need to reach out to for free accounts from My Funded Futures. So let me do that. All right. What did he say? Let me read his. What did he say? He said, where is his email at? I'm going to go ahead and trail this stop up. I'm not going to be unreasonable. I think trailing the stop up to like the 60 area kind of makes sense. Still keeping it below the EMAs, below the 50-minute range there. Oh, he texted me, not email. No wonder I can't find it. Papa drop here. What up, Gabor? All right, let's see. Fabio. All right, guys. We are going to go ahead and do the giveaway here. If you're not in, get in. You got a minute or so here to get in there. Let's see how many people are in there. Likes are currently at 60. We got 91 viewers. Come on, let's do it. What would you do for a Klondike bar? Oh. So do you guys think I should just draw twice? Or should we do a separate giveaway for the Take Profit Trader after we draw the first one? What do you think? Or do we just draw two people? The first one gets the Apex. The second one gets the Take Profit Trader. What do you think? I hate weeks. I give them away as I get them, man. That's all I do it. Draw twice. Once a bird and yeah. All right, we'll draw twice. Timbo says separate. Yeah. Timbo said, I don't want to win the first one. Well, yeah, Timbo, you can always give it away if you don't want it. Winner take all. Just being punny. Oh, wait. Oh, okay. Wait. I looked over and saw this, guys. I started to panic. I was like, whoa, wait a second. Where did that come from? And I was like, oh, yeah, I'm in a trade over here on this sim. All right, let's go, guys. Let's do the giveaway. Let's check the likes. All right, let's do the giveaway. Here we go. You got, it's 11:05. Let's go ahead and do it. I'm going to count it down from 10 here, and we're going to close it. 8 weeks. Well, hey, some people like those Apex giveaways. I like Apex. I like them myself. All right. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You missed your chance. And the winner of the Apex Any Size Evaluation is LHM Lux NQ. LHM, are you here? LHM Lux MQ. Alfred, did you really miss it? Are you not in there, Alfred? Are you not in there, Alfred, already? LHM. There, Alfred, jump in right quick while I'm typing out the email. Send me an email to methodicalman@gmail.com. I'm going to pin it in the chat. And the only thing you need to include in the email is just showing me that you're logged in. If you send the email now, you don't even have to send the screenshot showing me you're logged in. You can just, we'll verify you through the email. So, if you send the email now. Pegasus is alive. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. All right, guys. Now we're going to draw for the Take Profit Trader 50K evaluation. The likes are on 69. Let's go. We'll give Pegasus one chance to get in there. Exclamation point cash in the chat, Pegasus, and then I'm going to close it. Looks like we might get stopped out here. ES failed to kind of hold above that 69 level. just give it to you. I will. I hate weeks if you win. I'll do it all day long. All right, guys, I'm going to close it in 10 seconds here. Trying to give everybody a chance to get in, but should have already really been in, you guys. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. CT in at the close. Pegasus in at the close. CT, I think you're already in. Anyways, all right, entries are now closed. And the winner of the 50K Take Profit Trader account is... I hate weeks. You were already in there, were you not? I hate weeks. How can you wait so long to get in? Yeah, you're already in there. All right. The winner is... Rob the Scalper. The OG. Is Rob here? Sherry, you just missed it. I think you were already in there anyway, weren't you? Thought I saw Sherry already in there. Let me see. You missed it anyway, but Rob the Scalper, where you at? Rob the Scalper. Can somebody at him? Oh, yeah, Sherry, you were already in there. Let me try to at Rob the Scalper. At Rob the Scalper. He's still in here. Can you make it pick a direction? Yeah, Mo. I think it's going up, but I don't know. Pinch it off. You won. Rug pull time. Mo, you missed the giveaway? Oh, that sucks. They shut down the stream. Shut it down. He can't win if it's shut down, right? He can't win if it's shut down. All right, I'm going to start a timer for Rob the Scalper. I'm going to start a timer. We're going to give him 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Rob the Scalper. Yeah, I know, Mo. I just need an email from Rob saying that you can have it. And we'll be good. Hey, if you guys want 90% off, Day Traders is 90% off currently. Use code MM. Day Traders very similar to Apex, guys. And you would really be helping me out because, actually, let me post my Day Traders link. And even if you're not going to be buying an account with Day Traders, I want you to hit the link because they won't pay me my affiliate money until I have like so many people click my link. And I was waiting for a time like this for them to have 90% off. I'm going to go ahead and buy a couple of myself. But you have to hit my link. You have to have so many clicks of the link or whatever it is. But there's my Day Traders link. I'll pin it to the top. Take that eval. I have a very particular set of skills. Blowing the accounts. It's at the top of the chat. Is Rob here? Oh, there's Rob. Hey, Rob. Rob made it. I knew Rob was here. Rob, send me an email, methodicalman@gmail.com. And I will need I'll need your login, your email that you use for the login. For methodicalman@gmail. I'll need your email that you use for your login for Take Profit Trader. I do think I just got the email from the other winner. Who's the other winner? I don't even remember. LHM. LHM, what is the first letter? All right, wait. Let's not make it too easy. What is the first letter of your last name? The first letter of your last name. And we got LHM verified. Let me send over the code now. Just now getting stopped out as well. Got stopped out. Rude. Let me see here. Send in this code. Let's see. There we go. You can purchase any size eval with that code with Apex there, LH. It's up to you. Any size eval. And Rob, if you get me over your information there, we will get you that Take Profit Trader 50K account. Guys, we do need 50 more sales to get to the, man, I know it sounds like a lot. We got 12 days to get there. So we need to average effectively 50 trades, 5 sales per day to get to the bonus. 3 150K giveaway accounts by the end of the month. So that's up to you guys. How much is the 90% off accounts with day traders? Let me look it up right quick and see. Where do I buy an account at? Eval. Is that it? No. Products. Oh, they have straight to funded accounts now too. Okay, so it's only $25 for the 25K. Wait a second. Is that right? Why would it not let me choose my account? I'm working on it, Jonathan. I'm talking with them right now. You ever had a patch where you go to a certain profit level and can't seem to get past that amount? Not really, Mo. Not really. Yeah, they're offering the X. Yes, I see that, Project X. I do want to see where you put the code in. Here's the code. Cannot use your own code. Yes, I know. All right, so it's $37 for the 50K account. But yeah, I'm working on the, I just got the right person's information for the giveaways on My Funded Futures. So just waiting to be connected with them. And then we'll go from there. So hopefully we'll have some by tomorrow maybe to give away. Hey Rob, what email are you using for TPT? That's the only other thing I'll need. Are you using the one that you emailed me from? The one? Oh, okay. Oh, the one in the CC. I see it. Okay. Let me, how do I save that? Copy. All right, let's send them an email right now so you can get that as quickly as possible. 50K eval. Or test. Please transfer to. Thanks. Keep it simple. I don't add extra words in there. I keep it simple. All right, so when's the 90% off start? Is it now? For day traders? I mean, hey, it may not be the 90% off you wanted, but it's the 90% off we got, right? It's the 90% off we got. So I'll take it. Still got a lot of good sales going on. How bad are the rules? Day traders, their rules are not bad. You can DCA. They don't have the trailing drawdown rule. You can use your full drawdown. It is intraday trailing drawdown, but they also offer static accounts and direct to funded. Their payout rules are pretty good. You can have, I think, how many accounts can you have? Can you have 20 accounts with them? It might just be 10 accounts with them. I can't remember the exact amount. But they have very few rules. I haven't really heard of any denials. Anybody have any experience with them as far as that goes? I haven't heard of any denials that I know of. Do they have Trade Evade? I don't think they do, but let me look. I know they have Project X. Day Traders, Project X, Rhythmic. Yeah, I don't see. They don't have Trade Evade that I see anyway. But yeah, they offer straight to funding accounts. They're not. I mean, they're not cheap, but they are. They're reasonable. They do offer a static drawdown account. They offer some static drawdown accounts. They're not horrible. If you're into static drawdown, I mean, you got for $75 you can get 750. You might say that's not a lot, but Apex's I think is 600. For $100 you can get $1,000 static, and then for 162 you can get $1,500 in static drawdown. That's actually not bad. That's not bad there. But your profit target obviously is higher. And it kind of increases as you go up. So if you're a person who's into like a static account, it's not too bad. Yeah, TPT is 5, Jonathan. We were talking about day traders. Oh, who hops in here a lot? Like some, yeah. Yeah, that's true. I mean, they don't give you a lot of contracts, but I mean, it's still not horrible. Not horrible. Straight to funded, you can get the 50K for 370. It's a little bit on the expensive side, but it's not bad. It is end of day drawdown in the straight to funded accounts. So that does help a little bit. You can get 5 minis on the 50K account straight to funded. You can get 12 on the 150K account. Is anyone able to get bracket orders using Quantower with Trade Day? Do I have my Trade Day connection on Quantower? Let me look. Guys, if you're not using Trade Day, if you're sleeping on Trade Day, I mean, I don't know what's going on with you, because Trade Day, the $59 accounts, I'm not logged into Quantower with Trade Day, but I can. The $59 50K accounts, I mean, yeah, you have to trade 7 days to get funded, but you get your day one payout. Pine Tree got day one payout on Trade Day today. I don't know if you guys saw that, but it's a cheap account. $59, no activation fee. I mean, what more can you ask for? Very, very cheap upfront cost. If you don't want a trailing drawdown account, you can just pay $99 for the end of day drawdown account. And they're excellent. They've been in business a long time. You don't have any concerns about getting paid. So 7 days is a lot of days, but I mean, Take Profit Trader is 5 days. So why can't you trade with them, Ubin? Because your country? Let me see, Timbo. I'm going to log into Trade Day right quick on my Quantower, and let me see if I can. And also Tradeify's, their sell ends today. They're having a pretty solid sell right now. Let me show you guys. It'll take me a minute to get logged in. God dang it. Oh. So that's what Tradeify has going on right now. They got the $250 for the 50K straight to funded. Let me see here. I just got to get my credentials. From Trade Day. Where are my credentials? You can do whether you choose. Yeah, I think he's asking, can you get bracket orders or bracket orders to work? Wait. I can't log into Quantaro on my trade day. My trade days are trade of 8. So anybody else logged into Quantaro with trade day and you can get the bracket orders to work? You trade day on Quantaro or Project X, you can do weather. Can you but Anna, can you get bracket orders to work with that? So here we are over here. Here's how we did today. You can see these 3 trade day accounts. I mean, we're up $600, $1,600, and $800. So coming along nicely. We're right at $2,000 on our Apex funded account. We need, obviously another $600 to be able to request a payout. Our very first trade on our funded account for funding ticks. Where's that? Where's my funding ticks pro account? I don't see it. Oh, it's at the bottom. We made $237 on that. We're on day 4 for our Tradeify account, and we're up $699, so $700. Obviously, still got a ways to go on that. And then our Take Profit Trader accounts are sitting about halfway past 2 of those. So, market moving down here. I wouldn't be interested in a short. I would probably wait until, we either break out of the range to the downside or we hit one of those key levels on the ES like I talked about earlier. Just manual. I don't know. That's weird, Timbo. I have heard someone else say that. Alpha Trader? Are you talking about Alpha Futures or whatever? Is that what it's called? All right, let's do the quick rundown, guys. The quick rundown. Take Profit Trader 40% off. No activation fee still going on. Use code MM, My Funded Futures. 5% off. I think 15% off resets might still be going on. Code MM. Bulanox, 83% off. Code MM. Apex, 80% off. Code MYTH, MYTH. That's the only one that's MYTH. Trade Day, 40% off. No activation fee. Code MM. Tradeify is 30% off. No activation fee. Code MM. Day Traders, 90% off. Code MM. Tick is 65% off. I think today's the last day for that. Code MM. Funded Futures Network. I'm not sure what sale they're having. Elite Trader Funding. Legends. All code MM. Funding Ticks, 35% off. Code MM. Yes, it's a lot. Lucid and Prop Shop. Code MM. I don't know what the sales are. Futures Desk, I think, is still 70% off. 60% maybe. Code MMM for the Futures Desk. I don't see it very often. Like once a day. No, I don't know anything about Alpha Futures. I hate weeks. The only thing I know is about those guys that I see trading them on on TikTok. So hold on, guys. I'll be right back. All right, we're back. Let's see here. Project X on Quantower needs work. They're supposedly working on it. I do think I heard someone else asking me about that, Timbo. So, yeah, that's true too. 8 weeks. Nothing wrong with that. That's why I try to try the ones out that I recommend first. You know, obviously, Trade Day, I'm trading with them. I haven't gotten a payout, but I know a few people who have. You know, My Funded Futures we've had payouts with. I mean, all the other ones we've had payouts with. But we'll see. Look at this thing go. I'm going to wait for ES to maybe move down and test some of those lower levels. Then maybe we'll consider taking a trade. If you copy Trade Day with any prop, it works. Ah, perfect. Yeah, that's probably a good workaround. That is dumb though. Someone did message me and they were like, "Hey, I don't have the like." Someone told me they didn't even have the buy and sell button. It was missing. I don't remember who that was, but I was like, I don't remember who it was with either. But yeah, they didn't have a buy and sell button. Do we get an SMT here at the lows? What up, ICT? How you doing today? Yeah, I'm trading Trade Day over there on Ninja using Replicanto. It's just following over there. What are you trying to get in over there, Rudy? We're not giving nothing away right now. Guys, if you're here, if you're just now getting in, please hit the link up there for the day traders thing. Again, I need I don't know, some sort of stupid, they're dumb when it comes to that stuff. They need you have to have a certain amount of people hit your link. Let me see what it says. How many people? It says, let me see. Affiliates must generate a minimum of 50 clicks and 5 new signups within the last 30 days to qualify. So I need 5 signups. So I need 5 of you guys to sign up, and we need 50 clicks. That's what we need. That's what we need. So far, it says I got 13 clicks. 13 clicks. All right, 17 clicks. We need the 50 click. I want my 50 clicks. And we only got 1 sell. We also got to get some. We got to get some new referrals. We have none. I think we can get 5 people to sign up for the 90% off. Kind of, I mean, like we had that one push higher here. We had kind of this one push higher here that was kind of, but so far, lower highs, lower lows, kind of looking like what it wants to do. I accidentally moved that gap, but it's really not that relevant. Going for the 200. Yeah, the link's at the top of the chat there, Donovan. There, I'll post it in the chat for you again. I just need a click. I guess I could post it in the Discord and ask for clicks. We could do that too. Let's do that. Man, that 5-minute inside buy has been paying. I feel like I fumbled today's trades. I feel very fortunate to be green on everything except for one account. I feel fortunate. So certainly could have went the other way. What do we got? Indicator for the win. I hate weeks. Between me and you, just between me and you, nobody else. Why is there a roll of toilet paper on your desk? Just between me and you, why you got a roll of toilet paper on your desk? Oh, no, it's not straight to funded, Donovan. Sometimes what? You can't leave that trade alone? Oh. All right. Everyone. Boom. There we go. Do you know how much funding fees? 130. Donovan's 130. Lost your funding ticks eval in the chop this morning. That sucks. Up on the futures desk. Let's go. Good morning, Solo. How you doing? Yeah, Rudy and Solo, you already missed the giveaway. We did it at 11. Eventually something gives. Link clicked. Let's go. Yeah, I hate weeks. I'm just giving you a hard time, man. I mean, you could just say you use it to wipe your nose. I don't know. Maybe you use it to wipe your nose. I mean, to be fair, if I'm examining what you got on your desk here, if I'm examining, I see a bottle. Looks like you might be dipping. Maybe you're doing a little bit of chew, a little dipping. And then that looks like a mellow yellow, or I'm not quite sure what kind of bottle that is. Maybe it's not a Sprite. Sprite has a green cap. Looks kind of like a mellow yellow. So you didn't know all of that was going to be examined when you sent this picture, did you? See, I Hate Weeks didn't know that I was going to be examining all this when he took the picture. See, we got some, let's zoom in on it. We got some toilet paper. See, it looks like he dips. Got a little spit, something down in there, that Mountain Dew bottle. That might be a Mountain Dew bottle. Looks like a Mountain Dew bottle, possibly. See, I may not do that to most people, but I know I Hate Weeks can take a joke. Tech T, the giveaway was at 11. We already did it. Bill Nye, the trader guy. He's got a little toilet paper on the desk there. To be fair, I did not see a lotion bottle, so that's a plus. I didn't see a lotion bottle. That's always a plus. Dale is like, if Dale was in here, he'd be like, the lotion bottle is necessary. Gotta have the lotion bottle. Oh. For sure. Where are we at on Bulenox? How far are we away? We're at $1,789 on Bulenox. We still need another $1,800 on them. Diddy Baby Oil. That's right, little Diddy Oil. Get in there. Get your groove on. Man, are we going to have another failed breakdown of the 461 level? Sure looks like it. I'm tempted to long here and take that 50 EMA touch. Very tempted, but very tempted. Didn't take it. Yeah, Mondays do trap hard. Guys, I think I'm going to call it there. Let me give you guys a rundown of where we're at. Bulenox is up $227. This is up $291. This is up. This is not up. This is red $33, but we're going to call it a win. And then all these accounts are up. So I can't complain about the day. I didn't trade my best, and we still came out with a win. So I can't trade my best. Yeah, you didn't win, Tech T. Power hour. Maybe. There's quite a possibility. I don't have to pick my kids up today, so I probably will be around for power hour. Might find something to trade. We'll see if we get better price action then. Hit the like button on the way out, guys. If you do want to help support the channel, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Again, use my codes on any of the prop firms. We do appreciate it. And we will see you next time.